I did it. I just placed my order for the Apple Vision Pro. Ever since Apple made the big announcement, I've been preparing and getting myself ready to make this purchase. But they did say that it will be coming in early 2024, which for most of us in the know usually ends up being the end of March, kind of like the final month of the first quarter. But to our surprise, Apple released the pre-order on the 19th to be released tomorrow, February 2nd. Now, I wasn't able to take part of the pre-orders because of the way my checking and savings, but I was able to pull the trigger today, February 1st, and because of it, I set it up to pick up locally in store so I don't have to wait too long for the shipping periods, and I have a scheduled appointment to pick up my version of the Vision Pro on February 3rd, just a day after the official launch. I ordered the 1TB model, so I'm really excited to be one of the first to get their hands on this monumental piece of gear that will change the way we compute in our lives from this day forward. If you're interested to get a non-biased first-person view over everything Apple Vision Pro, then be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. The next video is going to be my journey to pick up the Apple Vision Pro, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.